Hi everyone, my name is Ranjit from my channel Rainflame, which is where I'm uploading this today. So today I'm going to be making an origami crane, which is really simple, really. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start colored side up. I'm going to fold diagonally, corner to corner, and crease nice and sharp. And then unfold, and then turn, and then fold this side to the other corner. Crease very well, and then unfold, and then turn over, push on the points, and then all the sides stick up like that, and then you're gonna fold vertically, so then the color side's up now, and same goes. So now we should make this fold. This fold is called it'll turn out into the bird base. So right now, what this fold is called is the square base fold, and it's actually really simple. So at the intersecting point where you made those two, when you made that valley fold from corner to corner, you're gonna push on the point while all four sides are interlocking. Well, not interlock. Well, getting or coming together. So then you should have something that looks like a square. Pops up. So let me show you that. Opens up like that. Closes. So next, I'm gonna fold this like that on your paper. Crease well. Fold this side to that crease as well. Yeah, turn over and do the same. I'm gonna crease to there, and then crease to. So now you should have something that looks like this. Looks like a kite. So now you're gonna fold this big tab down. See this big tab? This one right here. I'm gonna fold it down on top of that crease, like an envelope. So you can crease that very well. Just like that. Crease. And then turn it back. Fold it the other way as well. Just okay, so now we should fold both ways. So now you're gonna open this and then fold this up, and then fold that down. Fold that to the other side. So let me show you. So from here, fold it up onto that double crease that we just made, and when you push on that, the sides will come in, make that crease. Flip over and do the same. Open this up until it hits that point, and then just keep on pushing on that until the sides come together, and then crease. Okay, and now you should have something that will turn out into a bird. So right now these little flaps here, those are going to be the wings. You just want to fold them down. So congratulations, you just finished making your bird base. So now time to make the bird. So we're going to open this up like that. So closing it and then opening the side. Then we're going to lift this up on that crease like we just did with the bird base, and then fold it. So you should end up doing that. You can do the same with the other side. Oh. And then crease. So this is gonna be the head, this is gonna be the tail, or either way, whichever you think came out the best should be the head. flatten out, and then now you just want so first we're going to fold that edge up from the wings, from the bird base. Now you're just going to align your head and tail until you like them. So you can just move it up toward wherever you want it, and then just crease there. Same with the tail. Should try to match up with where you put the head, but whatever is best is okay. Okay, now we're almost done. We just need to make the beak, and then to make it a flapping bird, we need to add some extra stuff. So now we fold this down. So basically, we're going to push this down and then fold this on top until you want how you want your head. See, like that. See that? That's how you make the head. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with the bird. See, this is the origami bird. But to make it a flapping bird, we're going to take this corner down and then line it up with the edge, at the bottom edge, best as you can. Turn over, and then do the same. Crease. Okay, so it should be like an airplane, like this. And now when you pull on the tail, the wings of the bird should flap, just like that. So this is so this model is really easy if you keep on practicing, and yeah, that's it. And if also an additional detail, if you want to make your bird stand, you can just fold the bottom, these little bottom tabs at the bottom. There you go. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.